Good morning, sissy girl. Your hand's getting out of your swaddle. Good morning. Oh, yeah, stretch. Oh, does that feel so good? Hi, sissy girl. Good morning. You're 3 months old. Oh, stretch some more. Hey. Oh, bless you. Oh, bless you. Getting so big.